In times of natural disaster, many Americans are displaced and wait for help to arrive. And as we have seen and experienced in recent times, that wait may be more than we can handle. That is why FREE2CARE has created the FREE2CARE Humanitarian Aid Initiative 2020. FREE2CARE has partnered with Lightwater Life to ensure that thousands of American families will have access to the basic survival needs in times of natural disaster. Lightwater Life is a full-service humanitarian aid company that manufactures, assembles, and distributes sustainable disaster relief kits within the United States and abroad. The Lightwater Life Kit is not a temporary handout. It will empower a family to survive on a long-term basis, longer than the current suggestion of 3 to 5 days. It can be used for years, so it can be packed away and used again for the next time there's a need for the basics of life. We here at FREE2CARE, alongside other reputable organizations, have negotiated special pricing for our members to donate a Lightwater Life Kit to a family in need during post-disaster relief. The retail price of a Lightwater Life Kit is normally $295. FREE2CARE's special discounted price is only $199. Not only will you be helping families during a crisis, but you will also be benefiting FREE2CARE, as Lightwater Life has committed to financially giving back to FREE2CARE and its partnering organizations to continue supporting its members nationwide. Right now, more than ever, members of FREE2CARE can be the beacon of light and hope to those in need. We live in challenging times of political difference, but one thing we have in common is that we all are human beings, instilled with the basic principle of helping fellow humans in need no matter race, color, or belief. And during times of disaster, you see this unified help over and over across America. We are asking for your help to reach our goal to provide 20,000 families with sustainable light, water, first aid, and communication in times of disaster in a simple, easy-to-use solution. Maybe you've already experienced the devastation of hurricanes, tornadoes, and floods, and know firsthand that water, light, and first aid is what you need immediately and for it to be sustained. Let's ensure that the basics of life are available in times of crisis. The time is now.